Someone said it was a wing shortage, so we're cooking thighs tonight. Honey, mustard, lemon, pepper chicken thighs. And the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta Lemon Pepper Hot. Watch this. First, grab that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta Lemon Pepper Hot. Get the seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Season up your chicken. Add a little olive oil and then mix it on up. Once that's done, now it's time to make that honey, mustard, lemon pepper glaze. Get you some honey, some mustard, some minced garlic, some fresh lemon juice, some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper seasoning, a little of olive oil, and then go ahead and mix it on up. Grab a casserole dish, go ahead and put your thighs in there, and then go ahead and put that nice sauce all over them chicken thighs. Bake at 425 for 35 minutes. Let's try it out. That's good, shawty.